Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Ghee from yogurt. To begin, select high-quality, full-fat yogurt, ideally homemade, for the richest flavor and yield. Transfer the yogurt into a blender or a traditional churner. Add a few ice cubes to the yogurt. This helps the butterfat separate more easily during the churning process. Churn vigorously for about 5 to 10 minutes until distinct butter solids form and float on the surface. This initial step is crucial for a successful ghee preparation. Once you have collected the butter solids, it is essential to wash them properly. Gently gather the butter and place it in a bowl of cold water. Knead the butter lightly to release any trapped buttermilk. Discard the cloudy water and repeat this washing process 2 or 3 times. Continue until the water remains clear, indicating that most of the buttermilk has been removed. This step significantly enhances the purity and shelf life of your homemade ghee. Now transfer the washed butter into a heavy-bottomed pan and place it over low to medium heat. As the butter melts, it will begin to foam. Continue to cook, and the foam will subside, revealing simmering butter. Milk solids will gradually separate and settle at the bottom of the pan. Keep a close watch, stirring occasionally, until these solids turn a beautiful golden brown and the liquid above becomes perfectly clear and aromatic. This transformation signifies your ghee is ready. Once your ghee has reached that beautiful clear golden stage, carefully remove the pan from the heat. Allow it to cool for a few minutes, but ensure it remains liquid. Now, strain the warm ghee through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean, dry, airtight glass jar. This removes all the brown milk solids, leaving you with pure golden ghee. Store your homemade ghee at room temperature, where it will remain fresh for several months, ready for your culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.